Ever felt stuck in traffic, wishing you could just fly over it all? Well, Dubai's got your back. They're about to launch the world's first air taxi service, which is completely different and might change the way we travel forever. Think flying cars from movies, but way cooler. This is not just science fiction anymore. Dubai's making it happen by 2026, but hold on a sec. How will it work? Will it cost a fortune? Can you imagine yourself zipping through the sky on your next Dubai trip? We're here to answer all your burning questions about this revolutionary new way to travel. Get ready, because this video is about to take off. So, hit that subscribe button and get ready for a wild ride. Revolutionizing Transportation Dubai, the city of audacious dreams and futuristic ambitions, is on the brink of revolutionizing urban mobility with the world's first air taxi service, slated for launch by 2026. Imagine a future where traffic jams become a distant memory, replaced by swift commutes measured in minutes, not hours. This isn't just about adding a new layer to Dubai's transportation network. It's a paradigm shift. The air taxi service promises to transform the daily grind of commuting into a seamless experience. No longer will you be trapped in bumper-to-bumper traffic, meticulously planning routes to avoid congestion. Reaching your destination becomes a breeze, freeing up precious time and reducing stress levels. The benefits extend far beyond personal convenience. Businesses can unlock a new era of agility, with employees zipping between meetings and project sites, fostering seamless collaboration and boosting productivity. The impact could even extend to emergency response situations, where rapid transport of medical personnel or vital supplies to critical locations becomes a reality, potentially saving lives during unforeseen events. The true marvel lies in how this innovative technology integrates with the existing city. A network of strategically placed vertiports will act as hubs for air taxi takeoff and landings, conveniently located for easy access without disrupting the current infrastructure. This isn't just about replicating existing transportation models in the sky. It's about creating a cohesive system that complements options like public transport and ride-sharing services. Air taxis will offer a faster, more direct alternative, catering to a specific need within the city's transportation ecosystem. Dubai's air taxi initiative isn't just about offering a thrilling new way to travel. It's about fundamentally reshaping the way we interact with our cities. It's a testament to Dubai's commitment to efficiency, time management, and economic growth, with the potential to save lives. This is a glimpse into the future of urban mobility, and Dubai is poised to be at the forefront of this exciting revolution. Taking to the skies, the chosen champion for Dubai's air taxi revolution is the Joby S4, a marvel of modern engineering that embodies both elegance and environmental consciousness. This sleek, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft promises a smooth and silent ride, whisking you from point A to point B with unparalleled efficiency. Unlike its noisy helicopter counterparts, the S4 operates with minimal environmental impact. Its electric propulsion system eliminates the air pollution associated with traditional fuels, making it a welcome addition to Dubai's ongoing sustainability efforts. Imagine gliding effortlessly through the city skyline, enjoying breathtaking aerial views without contributing to the city's carbon footprint. The S4's silent operation is another key advantage. Gone are the days of ear-splitting helicopter noise disrupting the urban environment. The air taxi service promises a peaceful and serene travel experience, allowing you to focus on the breathtaking cityscape unfolding beneath you, or simply enjoy the quiet comfort of the journey. Furthermore, the S4's design prioritizes safety and comfort. Its innovative vertical takeoff and landing capabilities eliminate the need for lengthy runways, allowing for convenient vertiport integration within the existing urban landscape. The spacious cabin design ensures a comfortable journey, making the air taxi experience not just efficient, but also enjoyable. Early operations and Beyond Dubai's air taxi initiative isn't rolling out everything at once. The initial phase will focus on establishing a strong foundation with 4 strategically placed vertiports scattered across the city. Imagine a scenario where you can seamlessly hop from one vertiport to another, navigating Dubai with unparalleled ease. Think of the time saved. A trip from Dubai International Airport to the awe-inspiring Palm Jumeirah, currently a journey that can eat up significant time battling traffic, could be transformed into a breezy 10-minute flight. This is just the beginning. As the air taxi service matures and gains traction, we can expect the network of vertiports to multiply, creating a web of connectivity that spans the entire city. New routes will emerge, further densifying the air taxi ecosystem, and offering even more flexibility and convenience for residents and visitors alike. This expansion has the potential to revolutionize urban mobility in Dubai. A global innovation hub, Dubai's air taxi initiative is more than just a flashy addition to its skyline. It's a launching pad for the future of urban mobility. This audacious venture signifies Dubai's unwavering commitment to innovation. By embracing cutting-edge electric vertical takeoff and landing technology, Dubai isn't just transforming its own transportation landscape, it's acting as a trailblazer for cities around the world. Imagine a domino effect as major metropolises take inspiration from Dubai's success, implementing similar air taxi services within their own urban ecosystems. This could fundamentally reshape urban transportation on a global scale, transforming traffic-congested cities into networks of efficiency. Dubai's vision extends far beyond its borders, promoting a future where innovation drives progress and revolutionizes the way we experience our cities. The impact goes beyond mere inspiration. It has the potential to spark a global wave of innovation within the urban mobility sector itself. As other cities observe Dubai's success, a race to develop even more advanced and sustainable air taxi technologies could ensue, benefiting the entire world. With the global spotlight firmly on Dubai, the success of this air taxi initiative has the potential to not only revolutionize Dubai's transportation landscape, but also serve as a blueprint for the future of urban mobility on a global scale. By embracing innovation and setting a bold example, Dubai positions itself as a leader in this exciting new frontier, inspiring and influencing how cities worldwide approach transportation challenges for years to come. The future is electric. Dubai's air taxi initiative isn't just about efficiency and innovation. It's a stroke of brilliance that aligns perfectly with the city's unwavering commitment to sustainability. These sleek air taxis are more than just high-tech marvels. They're silent testaments to Dubai's environmental responsibility. By transitioning away from traditional fuel sources and embracing electric air taxis, Dubai is taking a significant leap towards a cleaner, greener future. Imagine a cityscape free from the constant hum of traffic and the smog associated with traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. The air taxi service ushers in a new era where navigating the city doesn't come at the expense of environmental well-being. This is a crucial step towards achieving Dubai's long-term sustainability goals. As the world grapples with the very real challenges of climate change, Dubai's proactive stance sends a powerful message. It demonstrates that economic growth and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. The air taxi initiative serves as a beacon of hope, inspiring other cities to embrace innovation and prioritize sustainability in their own transportation infrastructure development. Dubai's vision paves the way for a future where megacities around the world can thrive without leaving a heavy carbon footprint. This is a future where clean air and efficient transportation systems go hand in hand, and Dubai is taking the lead in making it a reality. With its innovative air taxi idea, Dubai is aiming high and making urban mobility a practical reality rather than a pipe dream in the distance. It's possible that 2026 will mark the start of a new era in which creativity, efficiency, and sustainability come together to completely change how we move through our cities. Thus, the next time you're caught in traffic, stop and stare up at the sky for a little while. Before you know it, your dream of flying above the traffic can come true. Are you prepared to take a ride in an air taxi and witness transportation as it will happen in the future? Dubai's skies are waiting. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Until next time, take care and thanks for watching.